Hello everyone, this is Robert, and I would like to show you my second project for GA. It's a Ruby on Rails app built using HTML, CSS, and a little tiny bit of JavaScript. So without further ado, this is Places, and it is a location for you to be able to track all the different places that you've traveled to and places that you want to go to in the future and write a little bit about them. So let me go ahead and log in here. This is an account that I had already created with a bunch of stuff filled in already, and this is the home page. So you can see my different cards with the different locations on them and a note for each different thing, as well as a nice image. So if I click on the image, it'll bring me to that particular index for that location, and editing is as simple as going to this link here, and I can fix this so it's no longer Budapest, Hungary. When I update, it will revert back to their initial page, and if I go to the index, you can see that the link was fixed. So you might have noticed the link, or rather image picker, in the edit page. I can show you that now. Nope, I'm getting two of the same image. Basically, I was thinking it'd be nice to not have to manually find the image URL for the location that you're doing. So right now, in the current functionality, I can click on any one of these images, click Add Image, and it automatically adds that URL to the photo URL form. Unfortunately, this is hard-coded in. The location is set to Piran, Slovenia, and it's not possible to change these images unless I go here, select these three, and set it, say, to Paris. If I do that, then, I need to save this. If I do that, then once I refresh the page, then now these are images of Paris. Of course, it's the Eiffel Tower. So hopefully after next week's lessons, we'll learn more about AJAX calls and APIs, and I'll be able to make it so not only will this form refresh these images instantly, but it'll actually be the right location. But for now, I can just select this pretty picture of Paris, write a stupid note, and it will create the location with all of my added information. Now, to prove that my login is not a fraud, I'm going to go ahead and log out and log in as a different user, Jaroj, that's new. And here we are, two different entries that are not existent in my last one. And as far as the account creation, you can simply go here, write the password twice for absolutely no reason, and voila, now I am logged in as Paul's face. For the code, one thing I am particularly proud of was that image picker. I know it's not properly functioning right now, but it actually did take a fair amount of work to get it working. I had to use a gem called Image Sucker. No, that's not a joke. And another one called Picture Picker, or Image Picker rather. And I had to use a little bit of JavaScript in order to be able to listening to those buttons that I added. This is the actual image picker itself. It does not look complicated, but believe me, the first time I made it, it was insane. So I am proud that I got it to a relatively reasonable size for something that's kind of complex. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and good luck with our next project, guys.